welcome back to Gabbing with Jessa. Today I'm mixing things up a little bit because I'm part of many different Facebook groups, which makes me sound 100, but that's okay because I love all these Facebook groups, and one of them is a Nancy Drew Facebook group. I used to play 2 of the Nancy Drew games growing up with my siblings. We loved them so much. It was The Final Scene and The Secret of Shadow Ranch, and I just love those games. And so I've been getting the other games, playing them, and I've been having so much fun with them. It just reminds me of my love for Nancy Drew. I used to read a few of the books growing up, not too many of them, but I still just love Nancy Drew so much. I love just female detective work and stuff. So I decided to mix it up a little bit, and on this channel I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this box is a Nancy Drew mystery box based around the game of Secret of Shadow Ranch. It is from the Etsy store, The Clue Crew, run by Brooke. I'm gonna have her store linked down below. You should definitely check it out. I know that a lot of her boxes are sold out right now, but she will be restocking soon. And she's gonna be having a bunch of different boxes for a bunch of different games. I forget what the other game was. I believe it was Secret of the Old Clock was with this one, or maybe it was Blackmore Manor. She had 2 of them going, and one of them was Secret of Shadow Ranch, and the other was, like I said, either Blackmore Manor or Secret of the Old Clock. Because I hadn't played those games yet, I didn't want to get spoiled for myself, and so I picked up The Secret of Shadow Ranch. And I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing. This is a mystery box, so I have no idea what's going to be in here. And I just think it's so cute. I love this wrap, and I love this little like key stamp on it. It's just so cute. So let's get into it. Okay. It's like early birthday and Christmas for me. Okay, I am, ooh, maybe not. I was gonna say I need some scissors, but I don't think so. All right, let's get into this. I'm so excited. Aw, it's a cute little note. Let's read it. Jessa, thank you so much for your first ever purchase from the Clue Crew. It means the world, and I hope to see you for many more mysteries. Please feel free to share a picture or unboxing video on social media for 10% off of your next purchase. Stay sleuthy, Brooke. I didn't even know she was going to do that. Thank you, Brooke. Oh my goodness, that is so sweet. I didn't know that she was going to be doing something like that. For those of you who don't know, The Secret of Shadow Ranch takes place in Arizona. Nancy is going down with her friends Bess and George. Bess and George are cousins, and they're going down to see their aunt and uncle. However, their aunt and uncle aren't at the ranch. They've actually been hurt. Their uncle got bit by a rattlesnake that just showed up in their bedroom, which sounds very Arizona to me. And there's been this phantom horse that's been riding around, and then whenever the horse comes, something bad happens. So after the Raleighs, the aunt and uncle, saw the horse, Mr. Raleigh got bit by a snake. So now Nancy is trying to figure out what the heck is going on with this horse. She's trying to learn more about the history of the ranch and the treasure that's hidden there of Dirk Valentine, who was there from a while ago, like long ago, and just investigate. There's a nice friendly cook, there is a young cute stable hand, and there is a grouchy man with a mustache who like runs the horses. And then there is the owner of a store, Mary. She's far away. She owns a store and she wants to buy some of the property from the Raleighs. So each of them have a reason of wanting the Raleighs away, but Nancy has to figure out like what is going on, what's up with this horse, and just what's going on this ranch. So it's probably all going to be Southern themed, and I'm super excited about that. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing I see here, oh, it's Clyde. It's a little horse. Clyde is one of the horses that you get to ride. It's not Nancy's horse that she rides in it. She rides Bob, but this is so cute. Oh, I love that. We'll put him there. Actually, no, we'll put him right here. There you go. What else do I see in here? Oh, Frances, Shadow Ranch. Okay, now Frances is the love interest of Dirk Valentine. So let's open this up. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Ooh. I guess maybe spoiler warning. I'm going to try not to do spoilers for the game, but it might be slight plot spoilers, but I won't give away the culprit or anything. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the letter that you read in the game that helps you figure out some of the clues it's from Dirk to Frances, his love interest. And should I read it? Let's read it. September 12th, 1883. Dear Frances, as usual, things did not work out like I'd planned. Just when I get everything fixed, just right for you to go looking for thing I hid for you, I go and get myself arrested. But no matter what you hear, nothing is going to happen to me. I will be fine and we will be together soon, I promise. Meanwhile, you can keep busy by looking for what I hid. Start by using this piece of paper to mark where all the rock pictures are. They will tell you what to do next. Your favorite flower and the flowers on your favorites, start keeping them in mind too. I will leave a message for you here in the cell, just in case they decide to move me to the jail down in Tumbleweed or something. I like vexing your brain because when you are thinking real hard, like when you are playing the piano, you are more beautiful than anything in the world. I am sure to be out of here before you find my treasure, but in case I am not, I know that it is all yours and that you are more precious to me than 10,000 treasures put together. And then it's a list of numbers that help you out with the game. Dirk, P.S. I do not and never will hold what your father did to me against you. Ooh, oh, I love that. So this is a little gooey egg with the note, you can find more eggs than that, because one of the tasks that you have to do is that you have to do all of the chores for some reason, even though you don't know anything about farm life. You still have to do all the chores, and one of the things you have to do is collect eggs from the chickens, and if you don't find enough, you get a little note from Shorty the cook that says you can find more eggs than that. And then it's very annoying. Okay, I gotta dig into this big one right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's all wrapped, but I can kind of tell what it is. Ooh. Okay, oh, it's in bubble wrap. Stop, I know what this is. Oh gosh, so, oh no, it fell off, that's okay. So this is the Shadow Ranch cake mix. It's got this cute little bow on it. It's in a mason jar. Again, one of the tasks that you have to do is make a cake for Tex, who is the grouchy horse in charge guy, for his birthday. And that's one of the tasks you have to do. And so this jar contains flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and then I have to add the rest of it. And so I get to make my own cake, and I have the recipe for it. If you guys are interested in this recipe, I'll totally link it down below. I'll just put it in the description or in the pin notes. Just let me know. That's so fun. Ooh, I get to make cake. Ooh, a book. The Trouble with Patience by Maggie Brendan. Interesting. Okay, this says Maggie Brendan definitely captures the flavor of the Old West in a sweet love story filled with suspense and well-developed, interesting characters. Ooh, okay. So this is like a Western book. It definitely looks like a romance, kind of. It says the virtues and vices of the Old West. That's so fascinating. Well, now I got another book. Thank you, Brooke. I could always use more books. Man, that like all rhymed. That was kind of weird. I believe... Oh, I have two more things in here. Got all this, and I love it. Okay, got this little scroll. Oh, another note. Dearest cousin Ellie. Oh, this is to Ellie, Francis's cousin. Let's read this one too. My beloved Dirk is no more. I shall never see him again, and now you will never see me again, for I am on my way east, there to spend the rest of my life. I will never return to the territory of Arizona, not even when my father, whom I despise with every part of my being, has left this earth. But know this, sweet Ellie, Dirk told me that he had hidden something of great value, and that when all was in place, would start me in pursuit of it. He was forever inventing fanciful ways to tax my brain, and was quite clever himself. Then, thanks to my father, he was arrested. Perhaps he wrote me from jail and his note was lost, or perhaps he grew to hate me, but he never told me how to find what he had hidden, and I am too heartsick to care. If you can somehow find it, it's yours, my dear cousin. Know, too, that I miss you terribly, and always, always will. Francis. P.S. Enclosed is a picture of the vilest man ever born. And then this cute, it's written in cursive, which is why it was kind of hard for me to read because I'm a scrub, but this is so beautiful and I love this. This is just bringing me back to when I was 10 and playing this game with my siblings. It was so much fun. And then the final thing, of course, is the author bio for Charlena Purcell. She is one of the people that you contact because there is dust flying everywhere. So she is one of the people that you contact to continue on in the game. That's one big part of the game, is that you have to contact people on your cell phone to help you out, and you can also call other people if you're stuck, like Bess and George, or sometimes the Hardy Boys, if you're stuck and you're able to get some clues to help you on with the game. So let's read about Charlena Purcell. Highly successful romance novelist Charlena Purcell will be touring the Southwest this summer. A meticulous, tireless researcher, Miss Purcell knows more about what went on in 19th century Arizona than most historians do. Invite her to speak in front of your favorite organization and hear her firsthand how she put together her wonderfully detailed, emotionally rich works of fiction. Book her today. Call this number. This is so cute, and the paper is so nice. Like, it's old style and it's crinkly, and I'm a sucker for like crinkly paper, which is really weird. But anyway, these is adorable. So again, in this mystery box that's themed around the Secret of Shadow Ranch video game, we got Clyde the horse, some cake mix, and a recipe to make that cake, a Charlena Purcell author notification, The Trouble with Patience book, a little egg to remind you that you can find more eggs out there, an old stylized note from Dirk to Francis, and a scroll note to Ellie from Francis. The cost of this box was $35, and for the fun and love of it, it's totally worth it. Like, I can bake a cake. I now have a little like things just to remind me. Maybe I'll put them on my bookshelf. Let's do that. Here, Clyde, you can go in front of Tom, and we'll put the egg, oopsie, right there, if it'll stay. I may have to take it out, but we'll leave it right there for now. Obviously, we'll put the book on the bookshelf. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna go bake a cake. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out Brooke and the Clue Crew on Etsy. Again, I'm gonna leave her linked down below. Also, thank you, Brooke, for this, for 10% off. I had no idea you were doing this, and this is amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Have you ever played the Nancy Drew games before? Which one was your favorite? My personal favorite growing up was the final scene over Secret of Shadow Ranch, but I've been playing a lot more now, and that might be changing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep on gabbing.